How could you let it get this bad?
Mold could get sick from this. I was forgetting to clean, and maybe you are too at home. Hi friends, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 TikTok cleaning hacks for your bathroom. Places that we're forgetting to clean in our bathroom. You heard that right. You're forgetting to clean at least one or two of them, or maybe more. I don't know. Maybe all of them. At least I am. I know it's embarrassing, right? I have to admit, I've been forgetting to clean these areas in my bathroom. Sometimes I feel like I don't have no time and I'm just doing like a quick cleaning and I'm trying to hurry up and do the cleaning that I forget to clean these areas. I'll admit it. I know this is not my bathroom, right? Go to the bathroom, get that cleaning done, and you at home take notes of all those places that you're forgetting to clean. That way you don't forget to do it after watching this video. Let's get right into it. One of the first TikTok cleaning hack of areas that you're forgetting to clean are your light fixtures, or kind of lighting that you have in your bathroom. I know you're forgetting to clean it. I was forgetting to clean it. Not for days, not for weeks, not for months, possibly a year or two. I don't even remember when the last time that I cleaned the light fixtures. I'm so glad that I did it already. I was able to see the difference. I don't know what kind of lighting you have in your bathroom, but mine was pretty bad. Dust mites, I don't even know what stuck there, but I was able to clean it. And to do so in a bucket, I put hot water. It's very important that you use warm or hot water. It gets rid of all that gunkiness, grease, whatever it is, dust mites, whatever is stuck. Don't put this on your light bulbs. Soap and warm water will do the trick. The second TikTok cleaning hack, places that you're forgetting to clean in your bathroom, is behind the toilet. I guess I'm pretty lazy, and I'm gonna speak for myself, not for you guys. I do this. Pretty lazy. I clean the toilet, right? I clean the toilet seat, I clean the inside, and I forget to clean the back of the toilet or under the toilet. I'm probably the only one, and I forget it because I'm lazy. I just want to finish up the cleaning of the bathroom and I forget to clean that area. Yep. Another area in my bathroom that I'm forgetting to clean are the baseboards. The last area that I clean when I remember. But I want to mention this one to you guys because once you clean your baseboards and you're sitting in the toilet or you have company, yes, they're going to be sitting and their eyes are going to be wandering everywhere. And that's one of the areas that they're going to look at. If you never thought about it, you're going to remember me. Whenever you go to the bathroom and you sit on your toilet to do your business, you're going to remember that I'm telling you, Mireya says, clean your baseboards. That's what you're going to notice if you don't clean them already. I don't. Not all the time. I know this is not a cleaning hack, but it's something that we all need to do, and we need to remember to put sealer on our baseboards. I'm forgetting to do that. I bought one and it was clear. I didn't like it, so I went back and I bought the white one. I just feel like it looks better. That's where the little bugs, insects crawling through. Another TikTok cleaning hack of places that we're forgetting to clean. Do I sound like a robot? I guess I'm repeating myself too much. I feel like I sound like a robot, like literally, like even before I started saying it. The bathroom cabinets. You know that gunk that gets stuck in between the cabinets? Nasty. You might want to grab like a cloth and like a butter knife and you can clean it that way. Or you can grab one of my favorite cleaners, not sponsored. I just like sharing with you guys cleaners or things that have worked for me, and hopefully they can work for you as well. I call this the miracle cleaner. Spray some on your cabinets, grab a cloth, it'll slide right off. Another TikTok cleaning hack of places that we're forgetting to clean. At least I forgot to do this on one of my previous cleaning videos when I was cleaning the bathroom. I forgot to clean the mirror. Right, Mireya? Right? I don't know why I forgot to clean it. I don't know if you guys forget to clean it. You guys probably don't. How could you forget to clean the mirror? I forgot to clean the mirror. Now, something that will be helpful to you. After watching this video, I know you're going to get yourself an e-cloth to clean your mirror. All you need is water and an e-cloth. You don't need no Windex. You don't need no spray, nothing. And it leaves your mirror so clean. If you guys have never tried the e-cloth to clean your mirror, I highly Highly recommend it. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. Okay, another place that we're forgetting to clean. This was so gross. I didn't realize it was this bad, you guys. It's never been this bad, and I didn't wait to share this video with you guys. Like, I wasn't like planning like, oh, I'm gonna wait till it gets dirty so I can clean it. No, this was real life. I know this is nasty and you're gonna be like, Mireya, this was nasty. How could you do this? How could you let it get this bad? I don't know what happened. I don't know what got into me. I don't know how I forgot. I was forgetting to clean, and maybe you are too at home, and this is why I'm sharing this video with you guys. That way you guys can clean it and not be like me. It's just nasty. It probably had mold, nastiness. You could get sick from this. I don't even know how much bacteria, gunk was under there. Don't forget to clean under your shampoo, under your conditioner, body wash, whatever it is you have in the bathroom. Make sure that when you're cleaning your bathtub or cleaning your shower, make sure that you take everything out. You give it a good clean, a good disinfecting. I'm sorry. I apologize that you guys have to see this. This is embarrassing. Another place where we're all forgetting to clean.
You know where the water drains?
That sounds weird. Like, you know where the water drains? Like, you know where the water drains? Yeah, I don't know why I said it like that. But if you can, get a screwdriver, whatever it is, pull that thing out and clean it. And this was bad because I was cleaning it, I was scrubbing there, and I was not filming it. Like, the camera was somewhere else. But don't forget to clean there. Get the hairs out. Use some of that drainage liquid to clean your drain, your pipes, whatever it is. Yeah, that's another place that I'm forgetting to clean. The water wasn't draining anymore. So dirty down there. Yep. Your trash can. Don't forget to clean your trash can, to disinfect your trash can. I think this is the last place that I forget to clean, just because, like, oh, the bathroom's clean, the toilet seat's clean, the bathtub, everything's clean, the bathroom counters, everything's so clean. So I grab the trash bag, I throw it, I forget to clean my trash can and disinfect it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is my second video that I share with you guys on TikTok cleaning hacks, and there's gonna be more. Please subscribe if you like cleaning, beauty, and lifestyle videos that I share with you guys on my channel. Take care, guys. May God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. My name is, ugh, that was so bad.